What's up guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share post on Instagram group. First, what you need to do is to click on the right upper side on the message tab. After that you need to open a group, for example this one. First, what you need to do is remember the name of the group. For example, the name of this group is group 1. Here, as you can see, I have 3 people on this group. Now get back and, for example, scroll down and choose a post that you wanna send it in the group. For example, this post. Go on the link open on your dance out, go for it, and then go on. As you can see here, you couldn't find the group, but on the search tab you can type the name of the group. For example, the name of my group was this, group 1. Yeah, go send, done. After that, go again on the message tab on your right upper side and then go on the group. As you can see, guys, now we have shared post on Instagram group. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure that you hit that like and share the video. See you soon.